senior population embodies a wealth of experience and wisdom that is indispensable to the fabric of our society. Supporting them during emergencies reflects our commitment to inclusivity and respect for every stage of life. Here are some key steps to help our senior citizens prepare for emergencies. Identify their specific needs and limitations, such as mobility issues, medical conditions, medications, and dietary requirements. Ensure they have access to communication devices and know how to use them to contact family or friends during an emergency. Identify evacuation points that accommodate their mobility requirements. Organize reliable transportation, taking into account mobility and accessibility needs. Log and keep an organized medicine travel bag with the necessary medications considering their health needs, making sure to keep them in a dry place where they are not affected by the natural disaster, since they are of utmost importance, and in most emergencies, not easily replaceable. Ensure that legal documents, such as wills, powers of attorney, and advance directives, are in place and easily accessible. Senior citizens who require sandbags for emergency situations should seek out designated distribution centers offering assistance. These centers often provide services to help fill sandbags or may have pre-filled sandbags ready for collection. Information about such resources can typically be found on local social media platforms and news outlets. For seniors constructing sandbag barriers at home, it's vital to adhere to safety guidelines, such as utilizing proper lifting techniques, taking frequent breaks, and staying hydrated. We strongly recommend enlisting assistance from neighbors or community volunteers to complete the task efficiently. Collaborative effort not only minimizes the risk of injury, but also helps to prevent exhaustion, ensuring a safe and supportive environment for constructing sandbag barriers. Your insights are incredibly important. Share your experiences in the comments to help others navigate these situations with grace and safety. Stay tuned to learn all about sandbags and their use.